Show me. What do you have? Who's that? Goldilocks? Curlylocks? Yeah. Prince Handsome?
Prince Handsome.
Okay. Who's that?
Cinder Slippers.
Cinder Slippers. Who's that? Holly.
Holly.
Okay, who else? Who's she? Ember.
Apple.
Okay, show me your two favorite ones.
And
Jewel and Ember? Cool. And can I look at them? How many you have? Do you want to count them? What are you putting your favorites there?
she has 27 Lollaloopsies.
Oh, thanks, Caleb. She's lining them up. We lined them up and put all their stuff with them. They each have a little pet. There's Snowy Fairest. And some little accessories that go with them.
She has 29. Huh?
They're pretty cute. Oh, and who's down below, Katie? Who are these people? They're bigger.
Oh,
Can you tell me all their names, Katie?
30 Lala
Tippy,
Loopsies.
Thumbelina.
I love all of yours.
Oh, these are your favorites? Okay, let's see your favorites. Oh, Katie, they're very nice. Those are your favorites.
Not this one.
Do you know all their names?
I like her.
Katie, how old are you?
We
3. And what did you do this weekend?
had a birthday party.
Had a party? Are you sure? It was a party, but it wasn't a birthday. Did somebody get married?
No.
Katie?
How are you going to
Did somebody get married? Who got married?
out? Megan.
Yeah, Megan and Brian. And were you in the wedding? What did you do?
Petals.
You threw the petals? Did you wear some pants?
No.
What'd you wear?
It's dress.
A dress?
I wear the diaper.
You had a diaper. Was it a beautiful dress?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was fun. Do you want to show me anything else about your dolls? Can you show me your big blossom flower pot? Where is she? The big one. Oh, she's
This is Blossom flower pot.
she's so cute. She has flowers in her hair.
Yeah.
Good. What other friends does she have?
And this one
Who's that?
is our sparkles.
Is that your very first Lollaloopsy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's special.
And she's my big girl.
Oh, who's she?
I'm both big girls.
That's fun, Katie. Thanks for showing me your special toys.
And this one is mine.
That one's yours? This one is yours?
Yeah.
And whose is this?
Maddie's.
And whose is this?
Maddie's.
Oh, Maddie's sharing. What's her name?
Maddie's it, Mommy.
What's this girl's name, Katie?
Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap.
Oh, it got loud all of a sudden.
Shoot
Sister
out
with a
so we can go on
smoothies.
trampoline.
Okay. Okay, Katie, thanks for the movie. Can you give the camera some kisses?
Let's go
Good
out.
girl.
Go on trampoline.